students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about count and recognize numbers 21 to 30. How many matchsticks are there? 20. These are 20 matchsticks and here are 2 bundles of 10. These 2 bundles make 20. 2 bundles make 20. What is this? It is 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 1 matchstick. So this is 21. 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 O-N-E-1 21. 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 2 matchsticks. So this is 22. 22. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 T-W-O-2 22. 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 3 matchsticks. So this is 23. 23. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 T-H-R-E-E-3 23. 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 4 matchsticks. So this is 24. 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 F-O-U-R 4 24. 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 5 matchsticks. So this is 25. 25. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 F-I-V-E 5 25. 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 6 matchsticks. So this is 26. 26. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 S-I-X 6 26. 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 7 matchsticks. So this is 27. 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 S-E-V-E-N 7 27. 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 8 matchsticks. So this is 28. 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 E-I-G-H-T 8 28. 2 bundles of 10 make 20 and 9 matchsticks. So this is 29. 29. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 N-I-N-E 9 29. 3 bundles of 10 make 30. So this is 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.